Hey everybody. All right. Right now I'm putting thread inserts in this top row of bolts on the exhaust for this 427 FE head. These are complete garbage on the top. Nothing was going to fasten to them. When we get done with that, then we're going to surface the combustion face of the head, but I'm also going to surface the exhaust face because these are horribly eroded away and they're not going to seal. Anyway, I've done this one already, and I got to thinking maybe somebody'd find this interesting or helpful. So just do a quick video here on how we put thread inserts in. I just have a 5/16 pilot in here currently. It's what I'm going to use to get lined up. Use the air float table. And this is just going to be close. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. Obviously, we'd like it to be, but when you're zeroing in off of existing garbage holes, it's kind of hard, but that's pretty good. Then we're going to drill. I think this is a 15/30 seconds, or no, I'm sorry, 25/64. 15/30 seconds would ruin my day putting a 3/8 insert in. So we're going to drill that out. And then we'll put in the chamfer to make a nice lead for the tap. This is the tap that comes with a thread insert kit. I don't think it even says what size it is, but it's what comes with them. Then I'm going to put a little of my Schaefer's penetrant on. This stuff is awesome for a lot of stuff, but it really works good for this. Just let it go on through, nice and easy. A lot quicker and easier and straighter than trying to do it by hand. All right, I'll give that a quick clean up. A little brake cleaner in there. Okay, then I'm sure a lot of you know, but this is the thread insert. And on the bottom, it's got this drive tang. And then we have an installation tool that has a step. That will thread into that. And then that little ledge catches. It drives against that drive tang, and that's what we use to turn that in. We'll get it started here. Sometimes that's a little cantankerous to get going, but I think we got it. If we screw one up, we'll put a different one in. Well, we're good. So you just basically, sorry I had my hand in the way, but turn that in, a little bit of downward pressure. I'm going to turn it in until it's just below the surface, and I can just feel it coming through on the bottom. And this just unscrews. And then you want to take something, I just use a punch, old centering punch. Put something through there. I'm going to have to pull this out of the way a little bit here. Take a hammer, and you're going to knock off that tang in the bottom. Just like that. You can see it. Bust that off. So now we're locked in and fresh threads. Won't have any trouble with headers or manifold bolts or whatever, and saves a lot of stress. Well, if you enjoy the content, please give me a subscribe. Give me a like if you feel like it. We'll keep making stuff. Making it great again.